Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. Gady, and here we are for some more math. Today is a follow along with me sort of a math day. So you're going to need something to write on paper, usually. Maybe get out your writing notebook, and you'll need something to write with. I like pencils when I do math. So grab your materials and come right back. Okay, here we go. Math today has this I can statement. Read it along with me. It says, I can find missing numbers to make 20. That's right, we're not making 10 anymore. We are making 20. And I got out my number rack from my classroom. I went and got it just so that I could show it to you today for this lesson. I know you don't have a number rack at home. That is okay. You just need that paper and that pencil. Now, we're working with 20, but if you know how to make 10, that will really help you. So quickly, before we start, I want to go over those different ways to make 10. And I'm going to make this bigger. What was I thinking? We need to see this better. Okay, friends. So here are here are the ways to make 10. And I like to start at 0 and work my way up. So get ready to write these ways to make 10 down with me. The first way we can make 10 is with a 0. 0 plus some number equals 10. What is it? Write it down. 0 plus, that's right, 0 plus 10 equals 10. Okay, next way to make 10. 1 plus some number equals 10. Write it down. 1 plus, that's right, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Moving right along, if we have 2, 2 plus some number equals 10. Oh, that one was fast. 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right. 3 plus some number equals 10. Ooh, what's this one? 3 plus? Shout it out. Oh yeah, 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we need, 4 plus some number equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. All righty, friends. 5 plus some number equals 10. This one should be fast. It's a double. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And I'm going to stop right there because if I kept going with 6 plus some number to equal 10, that's right, it would be 4, and that is the match with this equation right here. This was 4 plus 6, and this one was 6 plus 4. So if we continued on, we'd just be flipping these partners right here to make the rest of the equations. Look at that cool pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Whoa, the numbers were getting bigger, and then the numbers were getting smaller. I love math patterns. Okay, if you know these beauties right there in your brain really quickly in a snap, then making 20 will be easier. So here's what it's looking like. And it's going to be something very similar to this, but we're not going to be making 10. We're going to be making 20. So let me move this out of the way. And let me, flip over this worksheet right here that I just whipped up for you real quick. So we're find the missing number. There it is, right there in the middle. That's that missing addend. This is algebra, friends. Okay, and I'm going to get I think I'll flip that over so it's blank. And I'm going to get my number rack out just so you can see a picture of this as well. But here is our first example. It's 10 plus some number equals 20. Do you have this one quickly in your brain? It's a double. Oh yeah, 10 plus, shout it out. You write that down. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Write that down on your paper right now. And let me just show you. So here's our number rack. We've got our 10 beads on the top, 5 plus 5, and our 10 beads on the bottom, another 5 plus 5. Now, if I were to scoot-a-loot right there, if I were to scoot these 10 over and then cover those guys up, it would be something similar to this. We have 10. Here's the 10 number, and here's the 10 in beads. 10 plus some number over here equals 20 all together. So what am I covering up? How many beads are covered up? That's right, there's 10, and there they are. It's the other 5 and 5 because 10 plus 10 makes 20. All right, that one should be a little bit easy because it's a double. So I'm going to slide these beads right back over, and I'm going to scoot us down one right there. I would like you to write this equation on your piece of paper. 5 plus some number. If it's hard for you to write in a box or a square, you can just leave a blank space. You could just write it as a blank line like that. So, and it's not 5. Oh, it's, what was I thinking? 15 plus some number equals 20. Write that equation down. And if you already know the answer, boom, put it right in there in that space. I will show you on the number rack though. So I'm covering up the 20, and I'm going to move 5, 10, 15 over. I know it's a little bit dark, but here are the 15 beads that match that number. Then plus some more, they're the ones under this piece of paper, will equal that 20. And this is where, if you know your 10 facts, it's going to help a lot. It's kind of like 5 plus some number equals 10. It's kind of like that one, my friends. Yeah, but it's instead of a 5, it's a 15. We just added 10 more to it. How many are under there? Boom, there's 5 beads. There they are. 15 plus 5 equals 20. And hey, guess what? Just like 5 plus 5 equaled 10. Okay, next one. Scooch it down. Here it is. All right, we've got 18 plus some number equals 20. You can write that equation down right now, and if you know the answer, put it in. And I'm going to show you the 18 scooched over to this side of my number rack. So here's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's 18 that I've brought over to this side. Some more are left right here. And if we add these to these, we'll get that 20 that we're working towards. How many more do we need? You could just count on. You could start at 18 and go 18, 19, 20. 2 more. We think it's 2. 2 more. Let's check. Boom. There they are right there. 18 plus 2 equals 20. All right. Hey, and if you remember that 8 plus 2 equals 10, I'm in the way. There's that helpful hint, that helpful tens equation. Okay, next one. Get ready to write it down. 12 plus some number equals 20. I don't know. I'm seeing some similar numbers to this equation right here. I'm seeing 2s and 20s and what could it be? Well, you could count on with your fingers if you want to from 12. You could think about your tens facts that you know to help you, or show a picture with a number rack. So I need 12. So I'm going to scooch 10 over. There's 10 and 2 more to make 12. So here are my 12 plus some number equal 20 altogether. What'd you get? Did you write it in? Did you get dun 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 8? Because there's the 3 and there's the 5. 3 and 5 is 8. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Wow. Gosh, these numbers look very similar to those numbers up there because 8 plus 2 equals 10 and 2 plus 8 equals 10. I just am in the way all the time. All right. I think we have, let me check. Oh yeah, we have one more and then a challenge. Okay, here we go. Last one before the challenge. 14 plus 20 equals some number. Write that equation down on your paper. If you know the answer, put it in. 14 plus, I'm thinking of my tens facts to help me. It's a 4. 4 plus what equals 10? Oh, yeah. 4 plus, I remember that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 14 plus 6 should equal 20. Let's prove it. Well, I'll move 14 beads over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And are there 6 left over here? Oh, yeah, there are. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 are left. 14 plus 6 equals 20. Yes! Okay. Dun, 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 dun. The challenge. Write this equation down, please. 14 plus some number equals 21. Write it down. What is that number? Use this equation to help you. 14 plus 6 equaled 20. But we want to make 21. That's one more. So 14 plus not 6, but one more than 6. 7. Yeah, 7. 14 plus 7 equals 21. And we could count on just to prove it. 14. So start at 14 and count on 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 7 fingers for the number 7 right there. We did it. Hey, first graders, you just found missing numbers to make 20. You even made 21. That's some first grade math right there. Excellent job. You don't need to turn anything in on Seesaw today. This was just follow along with me. All right, and I am going to hopefully close this down and move this out of the way and say goodbye to you.